Hi guys!
Guys, masyadong yung boses ko ngayon, kaya
Lola ko sa
kaya
mga
ganyan yung
nasa
boses ko, pero sana
ito.
ma-appreciate nyo.
Pero pag 99 Nights in the Forest girl player ka, comment nyo lang. Napunta tayo sa taas, hanapin ko ang paborito na yung hanapin. Tingnan natin kung makikilala nyo. Sino to? Wait lang, baba ko lang. Ay, hindi ganyan talaga yan. Ay, ito. Huh? Mahal na nga yan. Tsaka to. Hanapin ko lang pala na. Saan na yun? Ito lang meron. Bakit ako na sa inyo yan? Pero may nahanap talaga ako. Hold it. Tadan! Nakita ko na ang owls. It's in the forest. Kunin na lang yung bunny. Madali lang yan kasi yung bunny natin ay ito. Tsaka talking of deer. Ang dahil ko yung bird dito lang. Lagi ko balik ko lang itong bunny. Balik na. We have the small bear. Medium bear. This is a bear. That's a dog. Bear and bunny. Duck. No, that's how what. Let's try to. Oh. For the wolf, I have. Wait. Oh, another bear. This. I love this because when I can put it on my shoulder. I can reach it on my lap. I can put it up here. My mother loves toys. This is from us because I put it on a toy machine. Oh, another bear. This is a cute bear. Oh, this is my favorite one. Ta-da! Chinese girl. Wait a minute. I will upload part 2, okay guys? I will upload part 2. I'll go upstairs. So I will upload part 2. Bye! Mwah! Love you! Ding!